This bag is amazing. You've got so many pockets and bits and pieces that you can use. It's incredible. You lose where you actually put things. There's so many pockets in here. Another nice deep one, as you can see here. You've got a zipper in this area, put some bits and pieces behind it. You've got pockets in the front here as well. Deep area where you can put a laptop if you want to, or whatever, odds and sods. Let's close that up. And we got this other one down here, which goes into the centerpiece. So again, you've got pockets in this area here, a couple of them, different ones. You've got this larger compartment in here, which has the zipper. And this is for the, where are we? I've got to get my hand in that little bit there. And that's where you can put your clothes, and you use the air pump to take the air out and compact it. Just close it up. The zip is very, very, very tight, very hard, which is great, so it's not going to allow air to get in it. So I've removed the little bit of label that we had there. We'll close this one over. You've got a nice little locking mechanism. You've got a handle on the top. We flip it over. You've got another little hanger here, another handle on the side here which you can carry. Your backpack armrests. Down the bottom here you've got another little pocket. And on the very back, if you can get it together, so many zippers. You can see we've opened that up, so that means you can actually put in more into your bag than normally. So we'll close that over again. Just so many compartments in this. It really is an amazing bag. It's even got, look at this, little clip on the bottom here. You can put USB type A, USB type C. You can actually charge your devices from within. This is USB type A, and it fits into a power brick which you put in this little bag here. So they've thought of everything. Now I've got the backpack on. Fits very comfortable. So, yep, not bad at all. This is the little vacuum pump that comes with the backpack. You have a little tiny bag to put everything in. It's waterproof. You've got 4 adapters, so they can do multiple products if you have something else that needs a vacuum pump. USB type A to USB type C charging cable. Little instruction manual, and the little vacuum pump itself. Very, very compact. It's got a little hanging wire. You're probably thinking why? Well, on the other end, if you hold the button down for 3 seconds, you've got a lamp. Hold it again, brighter. Hold it again, and it goes into flashing mode. Hold it again, turns it off. Now to activate, you press twice. And you do a long press to turn it off. So that's how you operate this little vacuum pump. We'll put it to the test in a few seconds and see if it does anything. Now I've got a nice bulky item here. We'll pop it in the bag. And close it over. You can see it's a bit puffy. This is where the little compressor comes in handy. We will turn it on. So you can physically see how much it's compacted. So That's kind of nice, the fact that you can actually run a vacuum pump on it and stack more things in your backpack.